Captain's log, stardate 4242.7. There is a mysterious ticking noise in the Enterprise. Very catchy. Kirk, James T. Kirk, James T. Kirk, Commander Spock, 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 Kirk, James T. Kirk, Commander Spock,
Jacob,
Spock, Kirk, James Commander Spock, Kirk, Commander Spock,
singing a song all day long on the Enterprise.
Captain, I have found the source of the mysterious ticking noise. It is the ship's self-destruct sequence. Yay!
Romulan, oh Romulans.